Okay, everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, we're going to install the Quick Fist mount tools on a vehicle. And we're going to mount it on my Jeep. We're not going to use that shovel, but just kind of setting her up. Guess I'm kind of committed now. I went just to pop that off and had a look, and bottom snapped off. So I guess I'm going to need to find some washers. So I got the big hole in there. Well, I did find some washers. When you have butterfingers and dexterity's pretty hard to get in there, you drop a washer, it falls down, gone forever. Got these rare earth magnets, same size. Just put one in the hole there, and now I can throw this bad boy on, line her up in the hole, and then bolt it together, just like that. So far I'm off to a good start. One washer, one nut into the abyss, into the hood abyss. Not ideal, but it is what it is. Same thing with this one. Let's see if we can get this one out. There we go. We got this one out without breaking it. Yeah, this one here, we got a larger hole, so it'll be easier to put it in. There we go. Alright, so get this one here lined up. Get started. Nothing in there yet, but there will be. That's how it looks with a shovel. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. This is easy. 10 minutes and you're done.